Hello, everyone. So I know I said I was going to give you a worksheet today about the boy's knee that hurt or something, but I decided to change it up because I didn't think that one was as useful for what we needed. So we are going to be doing this one instead today, moving words. So the instructions say, do each exercise in the top block and find your answer in the bottom block. Transfer the word from the top box to the corresponding bottom box. Keep working and you will get another story. So all we need to do is evaluate the problems that are given to us and then match them up. So if we look at number 1, we have 9 plus, and then the quantity of 7 minus 12. So we want to remember our order of operations, PEMDAS. So we would do what's inside the parentheses first. 7 minus 12 equals 5. And then, sorry, negative 5.
I didn't know you were lucky.
And then we have 9 plus negative 5. From here now, we combine these two, so 9 plus negative 5. If it helps to go on a number line, remember we're at positive 9. We would just count back 5 steps, so 5 steps, and we land at 4. So the corresponding answer for number 1 is 4. So we would put the word who down here in 4. Okay, so then let's look at number 2. Now we have negative 4 times the quantity of negative 1 plus 8. So negative 1 plus 8 is 7, right? So then negative 4 times 7 would equal negative 28. So then down here where we see negative 28, we are going to write the word seam. Seam. Okay, not too complicated, I hope. Let's look at number 3. We have negative 56 divided by negative 7 minus negative 3. So I want you to remember this is going to be a minus, this is going to end up as a plus sign, minus negative is plus. Then PEMDAS, parentheses go first. So negative 56 divided by negative 7. Two negatives, when they're being divided or multiplied, they cancel out. So we have 56 divided by 7, which equals 8. So then it says 8 plus 3. So we get 11. So wherever we see the number 11, we're going to write the word that. So I see an 11 over here. Just plug in the word that. All right, look at number 4. We have 5 times negative 6 times negative 10. Oops. So 5 times negative 6 times negative 10. 5 times negative 6 is going to be negative 30. And then times negative 10 is going to end up being positive. So we can do that trick where we tack on the zeros at the end. So we know there's 2 zeros at the end, and then just multiply the leading numbers. So 3 and 1, so we end up with 300. So wherever we see the number 300, we are going to put the word on. Okay, so right there, on. I want to skip down and do some of these ones at the bottom. So negative 21 minus 9 divided by negative 5. When we have division like this, it's easiest to do what's on the top first. So on the top, treat it like it's in parentheses. Negative 21 minus 9 is going to give us negative 30. And then that's divided by negative 5. So again, a negative divided by a negative, they cancel, they become positives. So we have 30 divided by 5, which equals 6. So find number 6, and we are going to write the word agree. So So there's 6's right there. And now we write the word agree. For number 22, we have 60 divided by -3 plus -7 divided by -7. So this is like a two-step division thing. We have 60 divided by -3, which results in -20. And then we have plus negative divided by a negative is a positive. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. -20 plus 1 equals -19. So wherever there's a -19, we are going to write the word pentagon. Wow, that's a big word in a tiny box. Pentagon. All right. So next, number 23, we have -4 times 4, and then -5 times -5. So -4 times 4 is going to be -16, minus 5 times -5 is -25. So we have a minus negative, which turns to a positive. So 25 minus 16 gives us an answer of 9. So the number 9 is going to get the word story. Ooh, it ends with a story. I think that's what they said. You will get another story. So number 24. We have this situation now where we have to simplify the top and the bottom of the division before we can actually do it. So -8 times -8 gives us a negative times a negative is a positive. 8 times 8 is 64. So this is something that we should know. You guys should be working on your times tables. -8 plus -8 adds up to -16. And then 64 divided by -16. So I like to think of things in groups. I know 16 plus 16 equals 32. And I know that 32 plus 32 equals 64. So if I split this up, this is 2. So there's 2 groups of 16 in 32. And there's 2 groups of 32 in 64. So that means that there would be 2 of these here. So there's 4 16s. So 64 divided by -16 is going to be -4. So wherever we see a -4, we are going to write the word 5. All right, I am going to get the answers posted for the other worksheets so you can check your answers, and hopefully you finish this one. And have a good weekend, and I hope I get to see you guys on Monday. Bye.